Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you designing of 10-story apartment building by using ETABS software. So I was already explained my modeling process and analysis process for this respected 10-story apartment building. I will provide you that video links in above card link and below description of this respected video. Please follow that video initially before proceeding to the designing part. So after modeling process, analysis process completed, so we have to click on design option here. So select the concrete frame design here. So initially we need to select the view or revise preferences option. Okay, so here we have to check this respected code and as well as your respected parameters related to the number of interaction, gamma factor and respected utilization factor limit. Okay, so as per my assumption, just I am taking this respected value as customized options. Okay, so click on OK option. So after that we have to select the design option here. So now we have to select the concrete frame design. So initially we need to select the rebar section rules for columns. So here we have to select the respected section rules for the respected seismic loading condition. Basically it will be consisting of two types of rebar section rules, which is related to the non-seismic requirement as well as your seismic requirement. For this 10-story apartment, I was considered the seismic loading condition. So that's why I am taking the detailing for this seismic requirements only. So now we have to select the smallest bar size. Just I am assuming it as 12 mm. Again I am taking largest bar size as 20 mm. So after that we have to select the twice bar size. So here I am taking it as 10 mm. Again I am taking it as 12 mm. So after that we have to take the minimum spacing as 50 and maximum spacing value, let us consider it as 300 mm. Click on OK. So after that again we have to select the design, concrete frame design, rebar section rules for the beam sections. So again it is also consisting of two types of rebar section rules for the beam section, which is related to the non-seismic requirement as well as your seismic requirements. Okay, so here we have to select the detailing for seismic requirements only. In this we have to select the smallest bar size. So initially I am selecting it as 12 mm bars as the smallest bar size for the bottom as well as top. Largest bar size, just I am taking it as 20 mm. Again I am taking this respective second value as 20 mm and preferred bar size, just I am taking it as 16 mm here. So here also 16 mm and minimum number of bars, just I am taking it as 3 numbers. Again I am taking minimum number of bars, I am taking it as, otherwise you can take it as 4 also, no problem with the assignment options. Again we have to select the stirrups bar size. So here I am taking 12 mm and this is also, let us consider it as 12 mm. I will change the smallest bar size to 10. So here we have to select the minimum spacing is 75 and maximum spacing is 300 as per the assumptions. So click on OK. So here we have to select the design option, concrete frame design. So in this we have to click on the start design check option. So it will design this respected 10-story apartment building as per the reinforcement AST required for this respected members. So the design process is started here. You can see this respected yellow mark is moving from beam to beam, column to column section. So you can check that respected diagram here. Now it is checking for the column sections here. So here the output diagram is showing here like this, which is consisting of design check reinforcement values which are related to the longitudinal reinforcing sections. So after that again we have to select the design option here, concrete frame design. So here we have to select the display design information system. So here we have to select as per the shear reinforcing section only. So that's why just I am selecting shear reinforcing section, click on apply, click on OK. So it will show you your respected shear reinforcing section, AST percentage, AST requirement for that respected member as per the considered loading cases, as per the considered grade of the concrete, grade of the steel. So after that we have to check the results which are related to the designing section. So for that we need to click on detailing option here. Initially we need to select the detailing preferences options. Now as per the metric unit system we need to select the units as per the standards of SI system. So here I am selecting metric unit system, length will be in meter, section thickness will be in millimeter and force will be in, we have to select in kilonewton. So after that click on OK option. Now we have to select the detailing here. So here we have to select the start detailing option. So it will do the detailing process for that respected designing of 10-story apartment building. So it will load these respected options of diagram here like this, which is consisting of your respected section A in horizontal position and B in vertical position. So here we have to check the results which are related to the output file. So here I am selecting drawing sheet components, select the standards, select list of drawings. So these are the list of drawings which are available for this respected design of 10-story apartment. Select the typical concrete beam 1S section. So this is the 1S section reinforcement details, which is nothing but the one beam section. Again, I am selecting typical section 2S section. So these are the typical section 2S section results. Again, select beam 3S section. This is the 3S section. So again, I am selecting beam A properties. So this is the beam A properties, beam B properties results, and this is the beam C properties results. So here we have to select the concrete column typical elevation section. So this is the concrete column typical elevation section for this respected 3 column. So again, select column section A. So this is the column section A reinforcement details. So after that we have to select the floor slab details. Select any one of the slab here. Select the floor framing plan. So here we have to select this respected option. So it will load your respected plan here like this. Select section A, story 8. So it is showing that respected section properties. So select the beam detailing here. So select the concrete beam section detailing option. So select the schedule and table. Select the concrete beam tables. So this is the concrete rebar table values for this respected section. So let us consider it will be consisting of your respected section of beam number 1, which is having the spans here, span number and length of this respected span and width of this respected beam and depth of this respected beam and the amount of the steel that is required for this respected sections of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H section. So these are the results which are related to this respected values. So it will be consisting of 4 bars of 20 mm and 4 bars of 20 mm at the top reinforcement at A section and F section, and it will be consisting of 3 bars of 20 mm at the B section, and it will be consisting of 3 bars of 20 mm at D section at the bottom. Again, it will be consisting of 4 bars of 20 mm section at the bottom and 3 bars of 20 mm section at the bottom for this respected C and F. Again, for the last section it will be consisting of 1 bar of 20 mm dia, and this is the length values for this respected section. So after that we have to check the results which are related to the stirrup reinforcement section. So for that we have to zoom this respected stirrup reinforcement sections option. So it will load your respective stirrup sections, which is consisting of zone A, zone B, zone C, which is consisting of 3 bars of 10 mm dia 75 and 54 bars of 10 mm dia 75, which are related to the elevation section. So again I am selecting column detailing section here. Select here. So select the framing plans. Select the framing plan which is related to this respected column center line diagrams. So this is the framing plan layout. Again we have to check the schedule and tables. Select the schedules and tables which are related to the concrete section. So these are the results which are related to the concrete section having the column numbers, and these are the reinforcement details till the 10th story. So it will be consisting of the dimensions, and A section it will be consisting of 12 bars of 14 mm, and it will be consisting of some of the reinforcement. It twice zone is 10 mm bars, 100 mm center to center distance. Again it will be consisting of your reinforcement sections having the center to center line diagram for different types of the floors here like this. So after that we have to see the frame detailing options. Select the frame view, frame layout section for the base. Again we have to check the individual frame sections for the respected elevation section. So these are the elevation section for the individual members. Select the reinforcement cage views. So here we have to select the beam. We have to pick any one of the beam from this. Select the beam here. Just I'm selecting 11CB1. So these are the beam design results as per the considerations of this respected loading condition. So it will be consisting of your respected reinforcing diagram here like this. So these are the properties which are related to the toys as well as your bars for this respected beam number. Again in the same way we have to check the reinforcement details for the columns. Select the column here. Just I'm selecting CC4 here, double click on it. So these are the column design results for this respected section. It will be consisting of your respected number of bars here like this. So it will be consisting of 4 bars in X direction, 4 bars in Y direction, and it will be consisting of 3 bars in this respected X dash and Y dash for this respected members. Okay, so these are the column design results for this respected section of 10-story apartment building. So after that we have to see the drawing sheets. So select this. So these are the drawing sheets which are available for this respective floor plan as well as your concrete beam scheduling as per the seismic loading point of view. So after that we have to load the report for this respected project. So select the report here, select the project report here, double click on it. So it will load your respective project report as per the consider sections. So it was loaded with ETABS 2016 version software, building design project report. So it will be consisting of each and individual parts and each and individual calculations and each and individual beam design results as per the considerations. It will be consisting of number of pages of 320 approximately. So this is the process, analysis and designing of a 10-story apartment building by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will give you the answer for that respected questions. Please follow the modeling process as well as your analysis process video also for clear understanding of the concepts. Thank you.